Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about Eneba coupon code. So we will be using couponfollow.com. For that, what you can do is you can directly go to couponfollow.com and search for Eneba here at the search tab, or you can use your browser to search for best Eneba coupon codes, and your search engine will give you all the websites that contains coupon codes. So along with couponfollow as well. So you can see there are plenty of websites. You can try the best ones for you, and those that are not expired yet. So let's go with coupon follow, and here you'll see two coupon codes at the top, 10% off, 5% off. If you scroll down, you'll see more as well. So to get the coupon, you'll have to press this show coupon code button, and it will take you to a new page. Here is the coupon code. You'll have to copy this and simply go to Eneba and log in with your account, and when you use this, simply paste it in the coupon or discount tab, and you can claim it like that. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.